Hello, Jeff Hale here with Kaizink. Today we're going to do some quick tutorials on the OptiScout system for our CNC. So what the OptiScout system does for us, if you look at our CNC, this is our spindle itself, and then on the left side of the head we have a camera system. We have a tangential oscillating knife. You can see on this knife here that we can actually, that's an oscillating knife. And then we also have a fixed, which we use as a creasing wheel for making packaging and left side tool on the machine. But in order to use the camera system uses a software called OptiScout. And if you look at our substrate here, you'll see we have these little 1/4 inch round dots. Those are called fiduciary dots. So the camera system will read those dots, and the software will allow the CNC to cut out whatever shape we've designed as part of our file. But in order to use the OptiScout system with the CNC, we have to first set the CNC into the OptiScout software, basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to move our head over so that we are off of our spoil board. We're going to bring the head all the way down here. So I'm going to do a Z0. So I'm going to bring the head all the way down, and we're actually going to take the head down below. We're going to take the tool itself down below our spoil board. You want to be careful we're not ramming the tool into the table, but as you can see, our spoil board's here and we're down below it. So the first code we're going to hit on the ShopSabre software itself is G49. What G49 does is it clears the Z height. So that's going to allow us to adjust the Z anywhere we want to. Now we've got the end mill down below our substrate itself. The next code we're going to hit is a G37 cal. And what that's going to do is it's going to calibrate that end mill into the OptiScout system. So it's going to do a touch off on the pad. And this is just setting the height of that tool so that now the OptiScout system knows how tall that tool is. And that's how we get the ShopSabre itself into the OptiScout software and ready to use. Have a great day.